Hi, in front of me is CUBOT X19 and today I would like to show you how you can check phone specifications on this CUBOT. First of all, go into Play Store. Now you need to click on the search bar, type DevCheck, and download this app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. As you can see, thanks to this app, you can find out information about your dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!